Hi guys, didn't see you there. Today I'll be doing a review on the Govee LED strip and also highlighting 5 reasons, my personal reasons why it's such a good buy. Point number 1, why Govee is a good choice is the color variations and vibrance that it entails and how it allows users to customize their lighting. As you can see, my PC setup behind me. Number 2, Govee has a very good price bracket that won't break your piggy bank, while compared to other LED kits that you see in the market, which usually cost an arm and a leg. Point number 3, why Govee is a good choice, is the fact that they conveniently include a handy remote that users can change multiple colors and modes and customize it to suit their color theme for their setup. Point number 4, why Govee is also an awesome choice for users. It has a lot of customization, multiple colors. Right now I have as on orange. You can do green, purple, blue. Even has a fade to go through all the cycles, just to anything to suit your setup. And the final point why Govee is such a good buy is how they include very clean and clear instructions, especially for beginners that are new to this whole setup ambient stuff. And it's very handy, because a lot of manufacturers don't have clear instructions nowadays. So it's good to see someone actually cares about the customer's experience. So guys, thank you for tuning to my channel. Please let me know if you want to see me do more of these nifty product reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and let me know what color you would choose for your setup if you decide to get the Govee. I then dread out.